Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So we've got a few items from Born Pretty we're going to take a look at today. So this is Born Pretty's new gel remover. Massive 15ml bottle of that. So it's called Magic Gel Remover. Nice big bottle that, isn't it? Product number F07. We've got the directions on the back there. It's really easy to use, and you've got your ingredients there as well. This is made from natural ingredients and it's really healthy on your nails. And then we've got these 4 cat eye gel polishes. We are going to be swatching them to start with very quickly. So these gel polishes, you get 10ml, you've got your swatch on the front and you've got the colour name and label on the lid. Again, you've got your directions and your ingredients on the back, if anyone wants to have a little look through those. This first colour is called Wormhole. So I'm going to apply a nice thin coat of that. So that's what it looks like as a full cover colour. It's a really unusual green, I like it. And then we're going to pull the magnet out and we're going to bring out that cat eye effect. So that's what it looks like with the particles. And now what I want to do is I want to do the cat eye viral trending heart. I like doing this with my swatch sticks now. I have done a previous video on this viral trend, guys. If you want to go over and check that out, I did show you how to make this magnet with a paper clip. How cool does that look? I really like it. So this is what it looks like over a black. I just want to show you how much more vibrant it is applied over a black. Can you see, as a full cover colour, it is a much more deeper green than what it was over a clear swatch stick. And now we're going to bring that cat eye effect out, giving it just a little wiggle. Just like that. That looks so cool, doesn't it? So now we're going to do the heart again. Give that a cure for 1 minute. This one is called Hyacinth. Now this one is called Midnight. So I've pulled my Midnight swatch stick out, and what I've noticed is I have applied Hyacinth on the wrong swatch stick. So this is coming really handy because now I can show you this magic gel remover from Born Pretty, and I'll show you how it works. So all you need to do is apply a nice thin coat of that. You don't need to apply loads, just a nice thin coat, and just leave it to sit. While that's doing its magic, I'm going to swatch Guava. Wait until you see this one, guys. This is well smart. Look at that. So it's like a green, but it's got like a golden salmon-y sort of shift to it. And then when you bring that magnet out, oh wow, look at that. It's beautiful, isn't it? I love that. So we're just going to do the heart on this one as well. And then I'll give that a cure for 60 seconds. So we're now going to swatch Hyacinth again. This is over a clear swatch stick. This is so cool, guys. I love how it's like a purpley sort of reddy colour. And then when you bring the magnet out, oh wow, it goes like a bright piercing blue. It's even just as a full cover colour look, it's really unusual. I really like it. Wait until you see this though. So we're going to bring the magnet effect out. Look at that. And the particles move so fast as well. So we're going to do the heart effect on that one, and then we'll give that a cure for 60 seconds. So now we're back to this one that's had the magic gel remover on it, and we're just going to scrape that off now. Look how easy that comes off, guys, using that magic gel remover. This is going to come in really handy for me to be able to just remove any nail art that I've done on my nails. I'm going to be able to get more content filmed for you guys. So easy, wasn't it? So now we'll have a look at Midnight. I did apply this over a clear swatch stick off camera, but it wasn't very bright. So I suggest when you are using Midnight, always apply it over a dark base colour, and you get a really nice effect with it. So there we are, guys. That is them all swatched. What do you think? Which is your favourite? I think I do like that end one. It's really, really bright and vibrant. But I think my favourite is going to be probably Hyacinth or Guava. I do quite like Guava as well. But I think the Hyacinth, I just like how it's two completely different colours. But I think all four of them are well smart. That magic gel remover was really easy to use as well. You literally just apply a nice thin coat over the whole of the tip, leave it to do its magic, and then just scrape it all away. Really, really easy to use. And because it's made with natural ingredients, it's really safe to use on your nails as well. So we're going to do a really quick, easy design now. And we're going to be using Guava. So I'm just going to paint the whole of this nail tip with Guava. Nice thin coat, just like that. Then we're going to bring them particles out with the magnet, but I want to kind of push it slightly more towards the middle, just like that. I'm going to, all four nails are going to be the same on this design, guys, so I will just show you me doing 2 nails. There's no point me showing you all 4 because it's just going to get really repetitive. So again, a nice thin coat, and then push them particles into the middle of that tip. Once I'm happy with where the particles are, then I'm going to quickly freeze that in the lamp for 60 seconds. I'm now going in and I'm going to give them all a second coat, just to make that cat eye a little bit more vibrant than what it is. So I'll do that on all 4 tips, give them a cure for 60 seconds, and then we're on to the next stage. I've now pulled out Wormhole, That's that really nice green one. And I'm just painting around the very edge of each tip. So just like a little border. This hasn't got to be super neat at all. You can just do it with a brush out the bottle. You can do it neat if you want to, but I didn't feel like this needed to be done very neat. And then once I've applied it around the whole of the tip, and I'm happy with that, I'm then going to bring the particles out on that cat eye, just making it really vibrant, making it stand out more. Give it a cure for 60 seconds. Then I'll do the exact same on this one, and I'll do the other two off camera like I did before.
Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do, but now when I'm with you.
So they're all fully cured. I've now pulled out this Jelly Gel 05. So this is out of Born Pretty's Hema-Free Ice Jelly Gel range. It's a really nice pink colour, and I'm just applying that to the very centre of this nail. And then I'm going around with an eyeshadow applicator just to blend that in at the edges and then give that a cure for 60 seconds. No, I'm not. I'm lying. I didn't give that a cure because then I pulled out this Semi-Gel 09, which is a slightly brighter pink, a little bit on the redder side, but still a pink. Apply that over the top, blend that in with my sponge. And then once I'm happy with that, I'll give that a cure for 60 seconds. And that is that nail done. So if you hadn't noticed, we are creating guava nails. That's what it looks like without the pink. But I feel with guavas, they're pink inside, so they just needed that little bit more of a pink tone, I felt. So like I did with the last one, I'm just going in with 05 of the ice jelly. And then over the top of that was 09 of the semi-jelly. And then blend it in at the edges. And then give that a cure for 60 seconds. So that's the nail art done on all 4 tips. I'm now going to seal all them in with Born Pretty's Super Top Coat. This is a glossy top coat. It's an amazing top coat, guys. This is the top coat I always reach for when I'm doing my own nails. It's scratch resistant, stain resistant, anti-yellowing. It stays glossy for ages. It's a really, really good top coat. And then that is what the nails look like all finished, guys. What do you think? What an easy but really effective design to do. Those cat eyes are perfect for doing that kind of design, aren't they? That is the swatches again one last time. I'm loving these. I love the way that they shine a completely different colour when the cat eye effect has been brought out. I really like doing my swatches with the hearts as well. I'm definitely going to have to do all my swatches like that from now on. They look really cool. So all the products that I've used today, guys, and all the products that I've shown you today, I'm going to leave links for in my description box below. They're all available on Born Pretty's website. You'll find my discount code pinned in my comments, along with a link to the website. That Born Pretty remover gel, I really like. I'm going to find using that really helpful, you know, so I can get more content out for you guys. I'll be able to remove a lot of my designs a lot easier and a lot quicker using that stuff. And I could just do more nail art on my nails. So I'm going to find that really, really useful. It is an amazing product, especially with it being made with natural ingredients as well. It's going to be great for people that suffer with allergies and that when they're using nail products. So yeah, I think Born Pretty have come up with a really good formula there. So that's everything for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.